Okay, so this is the Ulanzi Go Quick 2, and it's quick because you can swap it out to different mounts that Ulanzi make, like chest mounts, head mounts, anything else that you can get with this mount. Makes it really quick, clicks into place, and you're back on the tripod. This tripod from Ulanzi, really like it. It's got this locking nut on the top, metal red locking nut, which you unlock, and then this opens as a tripod. Lock it back up and it stays like that as a tripod. Really wide actually as well, so makes it more sturdy. Just unlock it like so to make it go back up, and then lock it back up like that, nice and quick. This does extend to 1.4 meters, so it is a massive selfie stick as well for getting those Insta360 invisible selfie stick shots. It's compatible with these 360 cameras. I really like it. This is really well made, and that quick release system that is compatible with other ones is fantastic. It clicks into place like so. Take it off, and this is magnet on the bottom. It's magnetized, so extra safety. Magnetizes in, and then you just twist it to click it. It's probably one of my favorite tripods I've come across, not only because it extends but it's wide. It's important to have it wide for stability, especially if you're planning on shooting time lapses or different shots like that. It's really, really good. So that's the Ulanzi Go Quick 2. Really, really impressive, and like I said, you can grab it in the description down below. I'll link Ulanzi's website as well, because this quick release system with the magnet on the bottom is compatible with loads of different accessories. I really do like it. It's well made. It is plastic, but it feels pretty bulky and like it's going to last, and the fact that those legs come out to make it really wide and sturdy is really important, especially if you're shooting some kind of time lapse or vlogging or anything like that. It really comes in very handy. But yeah, really do like it. It's compatible with all the different action cameras that you use, the big three, and while I'm talking about the big three, GoPro, Insta360, One RS, and the Action 3. I'm going to be testing them out in a future video, so if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one coming up really soon. And this is compatible with all of those. That's it, the Ulanzi Go Quick 2, a really capable action camera tripod. One I'd fully recommend, and only $25 at the moment on Ulanzi's website. I'll link it down below. If I've got any discount codes, I'll let you know. There will be in the description or in the pinned comment. I'll keep it updated. But that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one.